Hello YouTube, this is Transient Stacker here in my truck as usual, and today I want to talk about the sound of silver. And I have to admit that I love the sound of silver. Even the sound of this 90%, especially the sound of this 99939 silver. Now, I don't know if that's odd, if I'm unusual that I love the sound of silver. Even these silver bars, although this one's got a airtight, but the sound of silver, I just love it. And that's a big part of the reason why I bought some of this silver, even though I'm mostly a gold stacker. I just love that sound. I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but in fact, that's how I found a lot of this junk silver in my change. I'd get, change back, and I'd hear a different sound than the usual sound that modern coins make. Sound of clad compared to the sound of silver. And then I'd look at the edge and say, oh, I got some silver. Anyways, I just thought I'd make a video of that because I wasn't sure if I'm strange in that I love the sound of silver, or if it's a common thing among silver stackers. But I have to admit that I love that sound. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you next time.